what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create concept maps on Canva. So first, of course, you may want to head over to canva.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in your Canva homepage, in the search bar, just start searching for concept map, then press enter. Canva will then show you a variety of creative concept map designs that you can choose from. Then just select on the specific template that you want to use. Then proceed by clicking on Customize this template. Concept maps are visual tools used to represent knowledge and relationships between concepts. They are beneficial for organizing thoughts, understanding complex ideas, and facilitating learning and communication. And from here, you can start customizing your concept map, starting with giving your concept map a title, editing concepts, and giving them meaningful descriptions. Then, once done, you can just head over and click on File and have an option to download your concept map, choose File Type, then proceed by clicking on the download button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!